Welcome to my channel Road Beast Car, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into pure luxury, unmatched craftsmanship, and royal level comfort with the all-new Bentley Mulsanne. If you love ultra-premium cars that combine power with elegance, then this video is going to blow your mind. So sit back, relax, and let's explore everything about this incredible machine. The 2026 Bentley Mulsanne represents the return of one of the most iconic luxury sedans ever created. Bentley has taken sophistication to another level with a design that looks modern while still keeping the timeless Bentley identity alive. At first glance, the massive front grille immediately grabs attention, finished with elegant chrome detailing and surrounded by sleek crystal-inspired LED headlights. The long body shape gives the car a commanding road presence, while the smooth curves make it look effortlessly classy from every angle. Moving to the side profile, the Mulsanne features beautifully sculpted lines, premium alloy wheels, and hidden door handles that enhance the clean luxury aesthetic. Bentley has focused heavily on aerodynamics this time, helping the car glide smoothly through the air while maintaining its bold appearance. At the rear, slim LED taillights stretch across the body, giving the car a futuristic touch without losing the classic Bentley elegance. Step inside, and the cabin feels more like a private luxury lounge than a car interior. The 2026 Bentley Mulsanne is covered in handcrafted leather, polished wood trim, and metal accents that showcase incredible attention to detail. Every stitch inside the cabin is carefully finished by Bentley artisans, proving why this brand remains one of the kings of luxury automobiles. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, offering massage functions, ventilation, heating, and multiple customization settings. Rear passengers enjoy limousine-level legroom with reclining seats and executive tables, making this the perfect car for business leaders or anyone who enjoys first-class travel on the road. Technology is another area where Bentley has made huge improvements. The massive infotainment display now features advanced eye controls, faster connectivity, and a premium surround sound system that turns every drive into a concert experience. Digital displays blend beautifully with traditional analog elements, creating a perfect balance between modern technology and classic luxury. Now let's talk about performance, because the Bentley Mulsanne isn't just about comfort. Under the hood, the 2026 model is expected to feature a powerful hybrid V8 setup that delivers incredible acceleration while also improving fuel efficiency. Bentley is focusing on combining performance with sustainability, giving drivers both power and responsibility in one package. Despite its large size, the Mulsanne handles surprisingly well thanks to advanced suspension systems and intelligent all-wheel drive technology. Whether cruising on highways or driving through city streets, the ride remains smooth, silent, and unbelievably refined. The cabin insulation is so impressive that outside noise almost disappears completely, creating a peaceful driving experience unlike most luxury cars on the market. Safety features have also been upgraded with the latest driver assistance systems. The car includes adaptive cruise control, lane assist, automatic emergency braking, night vision cameras, and a fully intelligent parking system. Bentley wants drivers to feel both relaxed and secure every time they get behind the wheel. One of the most impressive things about the 2026 Bentley Mulsanne is its exclusivity. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of status, prestige, and success. Every model can be customized with unique colors, materials, and personalized details, allowing owners to create a truly one-of-a-kind luxury masterpiece. When it comes to pricing, the Bentley Mulsanne is expected to sit at the very top of the luxury sedan segment. But for buyers looking for unmatched craftsmanship and elite-level comfort, this car delivers an experience that few vehicles in the world can match. And that wraps up today's look at the stunning 2026 Bentley Mulsanne. Would you choose this ultra-luxury sedan over competitors like Rolls-Royce or Mercedes-Maybach? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.